Record. Hi everyone, thank you for joining today for my 30 to 40 minutes yoga flow. So come to comfortable seated position. Sit tall. Inhale, lift your shoulders still up to. Bring your shoulder blades closer to each other. Then relax your shoulders. Let your palms rest on your knees. Tuck your chin. Let your jaws little bit gap between each other. Rest your tongue in your lower jaw. Close your eyes. Breathe through your nose. Fill your lungs. Fill your belly. Exhale through your nose. Relax your body. Relax your muscles. If you have any wrinkles in your forehead, just relax. Just of your breath. Now inhale, exhale, open your mouth side out. Circle your head 3 times in one direction. Other way. Circle your shoulders 3 times in one direction, 3 times in the opposite way. Inhale, both the arms up, look up. Exhale, right hand down and bend towards your right side. Inhale, back to center, both arms up, look up, exhale, other side. Sanjay, recording. Inhale, back to center, both arms up, look up, exhale, left palm on your right knee and your right hand behind you, twist towards your right side. Inhale, back to center, both arms up, look up, exhale, other side. So your right palm on your left knee and left hand behind you and twist towards your left side. Slowly bring your body to center. Then right leg out, left foot touching your inside of your right thigh. So inhale, both arms up, look up, exhale. Your right palm on your left knee and bend towards your right side like this. If possible, touch your toes. Inhale back to center and root your left hand behind you and right arm up to sky. Lift your body and inhale. Bring your body down and other side. Left leg out. Right foot touches your inside of your left thigh. Inhale, both arms up, look up, exhale. Left palm on your right knee and bend towards your left side. Inhale, bring your body up and root your right hand behind you and left arm up and send your body up. Inhale, bring your body down and invite your body to child resting pose. Big toes touch, knees apart. Hinge your body front. Relax your forehead. Extend your both arms forward. Inhale, lift your forehead, lift your elbow, walk your hands over to the right and relax your forehead. Walk your hands back to center. Exhale, over to the left.
Yeah, that's not good.
Now we can hear you. Before we couldn't.
Now can you?
Yeah, now it's perfect.
Okay, thank you. Sorry. Bring your body to tabletop, all fours. Root your both hands in shoulder distance. Spread out your fingers. Untuck your toes. Your knees in hip distance. Inhale. Bring your belly down, chest front, look up. Exhale. Tuck your belly in, curl your spine, tuck your chin. Cat cow pose. Couple more like this. Inhale, neutral spine, untuck your toes. Send your right leg, left arm out. Pinky down, thumb up. Tuck your belly in, breathe. Now, inhale, extend, exhale. Tuck your elbow with your knee. Inhale. Couple more like this. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend your leg, catch that foot. Release. Now root your left hand down and right foot down. Adjust your left foot perpendicular like this and place your right foot down. Bring your body up. Inhale, both hands up, look up. Exhale, slide your right palm along with your right leg and twist towards your right side. Gate pose, Parigasana. Inhale back to center and root your left hand down and lift your right leg up, right arm up and over top of your head. Side plank. Palm facing down. If possible, look up. Slowly bring your body up and adjust your right leg like this, warrior two position. Place, root your right hand inside of your right foot. Send your left arm up. Slowly bring your body up and adjust your left leg like this and extend your right leg, half split. Inhale, both hands up, look up. Exhale, root your right hand down and extend your left arm up. Slowly release. Now root your left hand down and send your right arm up, twist. Slowly release and half Malasana. Bend your right leg like this. So extend your left leg. If possible, hands to Namaskar. Slowly release. Bring your body to tabletop. Neutral spine. Untuck your toes. Inhale, left leg out, right arm. Tuck your belly in. Breathe. Inhale, extend, exhale, tuck. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Inhale, extend, exhale, bend that leg and catch the foot. Slowly release. Now, I'll change my position. Change your right leg perpendicular and you root your right hand down. Extend your left arm up to the sky. If possible, lift your left leg up. And send your arm over top of your head, palm facing down. Slowly bring your body up, both hands up, look up, exhale. Slide your left palm along with your left leg, twist towards your left side. Gate pose. Slowly bring your body up and adjust your left leg to warrior two position like this and root your left hand inside of your left foot and extend your right arm up. Slowly release and adjust your right leg like this and straighten your left leg for half split. Then root your right hand and extend your left arm up to the sky and twist. Slowly unravel your twist and bring your body like this, half malasana, half garland pose. So if possible, hands to heart center. Slowly release. Garland pose. Push your knees by your elbows like this. Shake top. Tuck your chin, close your eyes. Excuse me. Slowly release. And invite your body to first downward dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Your feet in hip distance. Gently pedal up your heels one by one. Inhale, look forward, jump. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold. Relax and hold your elbow to elbow. Relax. Head hangs heavy. Slowly release your hands. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Couple more like this. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, side out. Bend your knees and slowly inhale. Come to all the way to standing pose. Both arms up, look up. Exhale to heart center. Inhale, up. Exhale, all the way to down, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, back to high plank. Inhale, bring your body front. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward dog. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, back to downward dog. Inhale, right leg up. Bend your knee, stack your hip. Excuse me. Inhale, level up your hip and extend that leg, right leg. Exhale, drive your right foot beside your right thumb. Left knee down, untuck your toes and rest your body on your right thigh. Root your both hands down. Relax your forehead. Slowly walk your right foot to the right edge of your yoga mat and roll to the pinky side of your right foot and extend your right arm up to the sky. Look up. I don't know, we have only 10 minutes. We have only 10 minutes. We'll finish it a little bit faster. Release. So bring your right leg back to downward dog. Inhale, left leg up. Bend your knee, stack your hip. Inhale, level up your hip, extend your left leg. Exhale, bring your left foot beside your left hand. Right knee down, untuck your toes. Rest your body on your left thigh. Relax your head. Breathe. Now root your right hand on the mat and walk your left foot to the edge of your yoga mat and roll to the pinky side and extend your left arm up to the sky. Look your left arm. Slowly unravel your twist. Bring your left hand down and send your left leg back. Child resting pose. 3 breaths. Bring your body to all the way to standing pose. Wide-legged standing. Your toes like pigeon toes, little bit facing each other. Hands to your hip. Inhale, look up, little back bend. Exhale, hinge forward and release your left arm and root your left hand down just below your nose and send your right arm up to the sky. Give your gaze towards your right hand. Slowly unravel your twist and root your right hand down and extend your left hand, left arm. Slowly bring your body to the center and hold your left ankle with your right hand and extend your left arm up. Slowly release your twist, other side. Right ankle with your left hand, extend your right arm up to the sky. Slowly unravel your twist. Lie down on your back. We have only 5 more minutes. Hug your knees. Rock side to side. Happy baby, Ananda Balasana. Rock side to side. Give a gentle massage to your back. Place your feet in hip distance on the mat. Bridge pose. Inhale, lift your hip, your belly. Slide your right shoulders in, left shoulders in. Interlock your fingers, if possible, with your tippy toe. And lift your hip little more up. Slowly release your hands, release your back, release your bum. Hug your knees, rock side to side. Place your feet in the mat and send your final twist. Send your legs to right side. Extend your arms in T position, your gaze towards your left. Inhale, back to center, other side. Exhale, left side twist. Inhale, back to center. Hug your knees and kiss your knees. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Exhale, final Savasana dead pose. Your toes away, facing away from each other. Your shoulder blades tucked in. Let your arms beside your body. Let your palm face the ceiling. Let your fingers naturally curl. Tuck your chin, little gap between your jaws. Rest your tongue in your lower jaw. Relax your forehead. Relax your muscles. Relax your body. Breathe. Observe the flow of your breath. Slowly wiggle your toes, fingers, your ankles, wrists. Inhale, give a big morning stretch. Exhale, bend your knees, roll over to your right. Rest your head on your right arm. Slowly bring your body up to comfortable seated position. Right leg front, hands to your heart center. Your thumb touches your chest bone. Tuck your chin, close your eyes. Inhale, exhale, open your mouth, side out 3 times. Inhale, your thumb to your third eye, that means in between your eyebrows. Exhale. Bring a big smile in your face. Namaste.